Hi everyone, here we've got LG G8X ThinQ, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's get into the settings. Then let's scroll and find the display, and here we've got the wallpaper and theme, so let's tap on it. As you can see here, we've got my wallpaper, so let's click here. We can choose, of course, one from the gallery or from the defaultly installed ones. So let me pick something, for example this one. Let's allow. And as you can see here, we can choose where we want to set it. We can set it on the home screen, lock screen, or both. Let me leave it like both. Click on set wallpaper if you're ready. Let's get it back. And as you can see, the wallpaper has been changed successfully. So that's all. This is how to change wallpaper in your LG G8X ThinQ. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.